what it sounds like? And I can be completely wrong, but it sounds like, during a film production, usually they don't have a locked-in team. And what happens is that when they have a script, when they have the story ready, then they know how and what they need and what skill sets they need to have to build this production. And then they recruit people of the specific skills to come along, and they kind of gather for a few months, they work on the project, and then they go away. And what happens after that is actually everybody works in a network, and everyone kind of gets more skills. And over time, you actually have lots of very equipped people, experts that have worked on multiple projects. So it's completely different field, but it sounds like the same structure.
Yeah, you are right. It's a very interesting association and a good analogy. The issue is that in those fields, as you describe, this approach is, let me say, a kind of, it is self-evident. Yeah, how to do it different? It is self-evident. But in innovation, and in particular in innovation close to science, it's not that evident, because in the traditional approach, scientists and sometimes also the engineers in companies, they thought to know about the social environment. They had their own ideas about the social environment, and based on their own ideas, they started the development process and developed innovations. And then they, at least in Germany, they again and again got astonished to see, well, this innovation does not fit. People did want to have something different. So this is a change. Our responsible innovation implies an opening of the innovation culture. And indeed is a good hint to look at other practice fields where this approach already is at place.
I've never thought about the connection of the two until you said that before.